Oh, hey, got to make sure the beanie and the logo is straight. My name is Troy Miller. I am your current IEPPV president, and I just want to let you know about our open house that's coming up on January 17th. That's 2024. It will be in Corona at the Hampton Inn and Suites, Hampton Inn and Suites East, which is off of Pierce. Check out the website, IEPPV.com, for more information about that. You can kind of see what's going on. Our open house is going to be a wonderful opportunity for you to get to know IEPPV, get to meet some of the members that we have there that will be there, myself, the rest of the board. We can answer any questions you have about our organization. You know, IEPPV is one of the oldest PPA affiliates in California. We've been around for a long time, so we've got lots of history, lots of information, lots of talent to share with you. IEPPV is an organization where we do a lot of hands-on workshops, image critiques, image competitions, preparing you to go on to state and national competitions as well. So if you're interested in doing that and growing your skills and getting your credentials, that's what we're here for. We're here to help you. But also, we're just a bunch of photography geeks. Everything from full-time working professionals like myself to a hobbyist. It doesn't matter. I mean, we love getting together and talking photography. So wherever you are in your skill set, wherever you are looking for community, that's what we're here for. So I look forward to seeing you January 17th, 2024. Check out the website for more information. And you can also find us on Instagram. Just look for IEPPV Live. Some of those links will be on our website as well. So we hope to see you there.